Planning a trip to the sunny beaches of Cabo San Lucas? Wondering what to pack for this tropical paradise? Well, let's get you ready. Cabo San Lucas, a gem on the southern tip of Mexico's Baja California peninsula, boasts a unique desert meets beach lifestyle. With its warm, arid climate and crystal-clear ocean waters, you'll want to be prepared for both sunshine and sand. First off, think sun protection. A good quality sunscreen, a wide-brimmed hat, and UV protective sunglasses are absolute musts. Lightweight clothing is your best bet for staying comfortable in the heat, so pack those linens and breathable cottons. And of course, don't forget your swimwear. After all, you'll be tempted by those inviting azure waters. Remember, this is just the start. There are other essentials to consider like travel documents and health and safety items, but more on that later. You're about to embark on a fantastic journey, but first, you need to pack the essentials. So, what should you pack for Cabo San Lucas? Well, let's break it down into manageable steps. First things first, you'll need your essential items. Those are the things you absolutely can't leave home without. We're talking about a valid passport and other travel documents. If you're traveling internationally, double-check the visa requirements and travel advisories for Mexico. Next, don't forget your prescription medications. It's always a good idea to bring enough to last your entire trip, plus a few extra days just in case. Make sure to pack them in their original containers to avoid any potential issues at customs. Now let's talk money. While credit cards are widely accepted in Cabo, it's always a good idea to have some cash on hand for smaller vendors, tips, and emergencies. Before you leave, check with your bank about international withdrawal fees, so there aren't any surprises. Speaking of surprises, let's avoid those with your electronics. That means bringing the correct power adapters for your devices. Mexico uses Type A and B outlets, which are common in North America, but if you're traveling from another part of the world, you'll want to make sure you have the right adapters. Now, on to the fun stuff, your vacation wardrobe. Cabo's warm, sunny climate calls for lightweight clothing. Think breathable fabrics like cotton or linen. And, since you'll likely be spending a lot of time at the beach, don't forget your swimwear. But remember, less is more when it comes to packing clothes. You'll likely want to leave some room in your suitcase for souvenirs. Lastly, it's a good idea to pack a few travel-sized toiletries, like shampoo, conditioner, and toothpaste. While many hotels provide these, it never hurts to have your own, especially if you have specific brands you prefer. With the essentials packed, you're already halfway there. But let's not forget about the climate-specific items. Cabo's desert climate and beach lifestyle require some specific items. Do you know what they are? First and foremost, let's talk about sun protection. Cabo's brilliant sunshine is beautiful to behold, but it can be harsh on your skin. To protect your eyes from the glaring sun, don't forget to pack a pair of UV protective sunglasses. And remember, your skin needs shielding too. A broad-spectrum sunblock with a high SPF is a must. This will guard your skin against both UVA and UVB rays. If you're a hat person, a wide-brimmed one can provide additional protection for your face and neck. Next, let's delve into clothing. The key here is lightweight and breathable. Think linen shirts, cotton sundresses, and loose-fitting shorts. These will keep you cool and comfortable as you explore Cabo's stunning landscapes. And of course, don't forget your swimwear. No skinny dipping. Whether you're planning to lounge on the beach or dive into the vibrant underwater world, a good swimsuit is essential. For footwear, comfort is king. Sandals are perfect for the beach, while a pair of sturdy, comfortable walking shoes will serve you well as you navigate the city streets and local attractions. And here's a little bonus tip. Pack a light jacket or shawl. Yes, you heard that right. Despite the desert heat, the nights in Cabo can get surprisingly cool. A light cover-up will keep you cozy during those late-night beach strolls or alfresco dinners. Finally, consider packing a reusable water bottle. Staying hydrated is crucial in Cabo's desert climate. With a water bottle at hand, you can sip on the go and reduce plastic waste at the same time. With these items, you're ready to enjoy the sun, the sand, and the sea. But what about health and safety? Your health and safety should always be a priority, even on vacation. The sun-soaked beaches of Cabo San Lucas are beckoning, but before you frolic in the sand, let's talk about some crucial health and safety precautions. First and foremost, don't forget your personal protective items. Hand sanitizers and masks are not just vital for airplane travel, they're also essential for bustling markets, local tours, and crowded beachfront bars. A small bottle of hand sanitizer can go a long way in protecting you from germs. As for masks, they are your first line of defense against airborne particles and respiratory droplets. Next, consider packing a basic first aid kit. Accidents can happen anywhere, and it's always best to be prepared. Your kit should include bandages, antiseptic wipes, tweezers, and pain relievers. These essentials can come in handy for minor cuts, scrapes, or headaches. Now, let's talk about hydration. Cabo's desert climate can be deceiving. You might not feel thirsty, but under the intense sun, your body can dehydrate quickly. This is why it's crucial to drink plenty of water throughout the day. To stay eco-friendly and hydrated, consider packing a reusable water bottle. Not only will this save you money on bottled water, but it will also help reduce plastic waste, contributing to the preservation of Cabo's pristine beaches. Lastly, don't forget about sun protection. A broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher is a must to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. And remember, reapply every 2 hours or immediately after swimming or excessive sweating. Taking these health and safety precautions might seem like a lot of work, but they can save you from potential health hazards and ensure a smooth vacation. After all, nobody wants to spend their holiday nursing a sunburn or battling dehydration. Remember, staying healthy and safe is key to enjoying your vacation to the fullest. So pack wisely, stay hydrated, and get ready for an unforgettable Cabo adventure. Respecting the environment and local customs is an essential part of any trip. So, how can you do that in Cabo San Lucas? One of the easiest ways to be eco-friendly is by using biodegradable products. In Cabo, this is especially important due to the delicate marine life. For instance, consider swapping your regular sunscreen for a biodegradable one. Regular sunscreens often contain chemicals that can harm marine life, while biodegradable ones are designed to break down naturally and cause minimal harm to the environment. While we're on the topic of the ocean, let's talk about plastic. Plastic waste is a significant issue in beach destinations worldwide, and Cabo is no exception. Carry a reusable water bottle and say no to single-use plastics whenever possible. Not only is this better for the environment, but it's also a great way to stay hydrated in Cabo's desert climate. Next, let's talk about local customs. Remember, you're a guest in someone else's home. It's essential to respect local traditions and ways of life. A simple way to do this is by learning a few basic phrases in Spanish. Not only is it a sign of respect, but it can also help you navigate the area more easily. Another important custom to keep in mind is tipping. In Cabo, it's customary to tip service staff, including restaurant servers, hotel staff, and tour guides. A rule of thumb is to tip between 10 to 15% of the total bill, but feel free to give more if the service was exceptional. Finally, remember to be respectful when visiting local landmarks and natural sites. Don't litter, stay on designated paths, and avoid touching or disturbing wildlife. So as you prepare for your trip to Cabo, remember these tips. They may seem small, but they can make a big difference in preserving the beauty of the destination and improving your travel experience. By being eco-friendly and respectful, you can ensure a memorable and enjoyable Cabo experience. You're almost ready for your Cabo adventure. Let's do a quick recap to ensure you've got everything covered. First, packing the essentials. Keep it light, but smart. Remember, Cabo's desert climate calls for sun protection, lightweight clothing, and of course, stylish swimwear. Next, health and safety are paramount. Not only are hand sanitizers and masks necessary, but staying hydrated in the desert sun is equally crucial. Keep those reusable water bottles handy, and let's not forget about our planet. Opting for eco-friendly products is a small step towards protecting the beautiful marine life Cabo has to offer. Lastly, when you're in Cabo, you're a guest. Show respect for local customs and navigate the area safely. There's a whole world of stunning beaches, vibrant nightlife, and warm, welcoming locals waiting for you. With these tips, you're ready to enjoy the best of Cabo San Lucas. Safe travels. Before we wrap this video up, we have a small request. If you found our tips helpful or have some of your own to share, we'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to hit that like button to show your support. And if you're looking forward to more travel insights and tips, make sure to hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from us. Your engagement helps us create more content tailored to your needs. So comment below, share your thoughts, ask questions, and let's continue this journey together. Happy travels, explorers!